Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And have you ever had an issue wherein your smartphone overheat to such an extent so you have to keep it aside to cool down? If yes, then this particular video is for you. In this particular video guys, we are going to talk about why your smartphone overheats and how to fix it. So please watch this particular till the end because we are going to give our opinion regarding how to fix it and the possible reason why your smartphone gets overheated. So let's get started. The number one possible reason why your smartphone overheats is because of the battery. It might be so happening that you might be charging your phone and your phone is getting overheated. This is nothing but the battery is getting overheated in your smartphone. So in this particular case guys, I would recommend not to charge your phone while using it. At least keep a difference between maybe something like a 10 to 15 minutes to cool it down after you have recharged your phone and then start using it. If you like such kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell notification icon, and also please share this particular video with your friends and families who might be having an overheating issue of smartphones. The second most reason why your smartphone is overheating is the temperature. The outside temperature might be hot enough to heat your phone. Sometimes people leave their smartphones in the car and all, which is very dangerous because even the temperature can reach above 50 degree in hot summers and all, and which can cause potential damage to your battery and other component, and sometimes it might even catch fire. So please use your smartphone very carefully. Do not use it when it is very hot or outside sunlight. Now there are certain cases like you cannot avoid, you have to take a call and all, that is understandable, but don't try to play PUBG outside in the hot baked sun. Third most reason is the processor of your phone. It is causing the phone to get overheated. Sometimes when you are doing a lot of tasks etc., processor is one of the key component which is useful for this and which is to be blamed, and it can cause a raise in temperature of your phone so much as that you might just stop using it. So in this particular case scenario, you also that processor which you are using, make sure that you are not editing something and then just complaining that your phone is getting overheated. It's a normal thing. If you try to use a processor intensive task a lot, then your phone will get heated, as obvious. The fourth obvious reason why your smartphone is getting heated because it might not be getting a proper signal network from the tower. As you all know that sometimes if you are not able to get the particular signal from the tower, the phone tend to search for the network, and that actually might heat up your phone because it is constantly searching for a network. So this is one of the reason. Also guys, while downloading something like a big file and all, or if you are downloading something like an application from Play Store or a game, definitely the network puts a lot of stress on your smartphone and that adds up to the heating of the smartphone. Fifth major reason why your smartphone is getting heated because you are doing a lot of multitasking. It might be so happening that you might be having a lot of things running. You might be having a game running in the background, at the same time you are playing a music. There might be certain things which are happening like downloading of file or updating your software etc., and YouTube also might be downloading something. In this kind of case scenario guys, if you are very heavy multitasker, then it might be overheating your phone. In this case scenario, you can just minimize the multitasking and then this will eventually drop down the temperature and you will be able to use the smartphone in a much better way. So guys, what temperature is normal? I would say 45 to 48 is not too hot or not too cold. It is high temperature, I know, but it is not like where you cannot use your phone or something. If you see, most of the people just complain their phone is overheating because slightly if it is overheating, it's not a big issue. Especially if it is between 45 to 48, it is normal for a phone to reach those kind of temperature. Anything above 48 or 50 degree, it is not normal, and in that particular case you all should just check out the above mentioned points which I have discussed just now. You all have to take some action. One of the things what your smartphone can do is it can throttle as in like decrease the performance of your processor, yes, automatically, and your phone won't be performing this great. So this will actually eventually drop down the performance of your phone and also the temperature of your phone. Now how to overcome the overheating issue is you all have to check which particular apps in the background are using your resources the most, especially the processor or the battery. Try to you minimize the use of those, especially if the temperature is high and all. In this particular way guys, you all will be able to decrease the temperature to certain extent and use your phone very effectively. Second fix what I can give you is update your apps frequently. So if there is an app which is an older version and there might be already a bug fix for that particular version, then you all can just update it from Play Store or App Store, and then this will perform much more better efficiently. So those bugs will be gone, your phone will start overheating less. This also follows for the software update guys. If you are running something older version of the particular operating system, then upgrading to the latest one would really help in solving this issue. For example, I had a lot of issues with my iPhone 11, especially the overheating ones when I was using the 14.5 update. Now I have installed the 14.6 update and the overheating is slightly less because I think they have slightly throttled the processor to give a much more cooler solution. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on CreativeSoft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.